Hi, students and parents. Are you excited about exploring college classes at the Los Angeles Community College District? In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the LACCD Class Search tool to find the perfect courses for your future. Whether you're a student looking to get a head start or a parent helping with planning, this tool is your first step toward success. Let's dive in with a heart full of hope, as Proverbs 16:3 reminds us, "Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans." First, go to laccd.edu. Then, click on the Class Search link. You'll land on the Class Search criteria page, a super easy tool to find classes for a specific term, like Summer 2025. This is where you'll filter classes to match your goals. Let's break down the fields you'll see and how to use them, step by step. Just like God's Word lights our path, this tool helps you find the right courses to guide your educational journey. Here's what each field on the Class Search page does. In the form, the term is the academic term, like Summer 2025. The tool might pre-select a term, but double-check the one you want. Then choose a subject, like art or English. Type the subject code or select it from a list to find courses in that area. Next, you'll need to fill in the course number. Want a specific class? Like Art 201? Enter the course number here. You can even use options like is exactly or greater than for flexibility. The class type lets you choose in-person, online, hybrid, zero textbook cost, low textbook cost, etc. Select the campus like Los Angeles City College or Los Angeles Mission College to find classes where you want to learn. Check the Show Open Classes Only checkbox to see only classes with available seats. It's a time saver. Finally, you can add more filters, like class times, days of the week, or instructors under additional search criteria. This helps you find classes that fit your schedule. Once you've filled in your preferences, hit search, and voila. You'll see a list of classes that match your criteria. The results show the class title, section, schedule, location, instructor, meeting dates, and whether it's open, closed, or has a waitlist. Once you click on a section, you'll also see the number of units and maybe a course description and requirement designation. It's all there to help you make informed choices. Ecclesiastes reminds us there's a time for every purpose, and now's the time to plan your education. Review the results to find classes that excite you. Students, you can take these details to your counselor or log into the LACCD Student Information System to fill out your K-12 supplemental form. Parents, you can use this info to discuss options with your teen. A few quick tips. If you don't see what you want, try fewer filters to broaden your search. And if you need help, reach out to your counselor or the dual enrollment office, or visit www.laccd.edu for more resources. That's it. The LACCD Class Search tool is your key to unlocking college opportunities. Students, you're taking charge of your future. And parents, you're guiding the way.